Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off data saver mode in your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your mobile device, and then you want to scroll down and click on connections, be near the top, and then where you see data usage, click into that. And then scroll down, and if you find or see data saver mode, click into that and then click on turn on now. So it says data saver helps cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. While turned on, the data saver icon will be shown in the status bar. So if I turn that on, you will see that blue data saver icon in the status bar up top. So yeah, that's it for this guys, how to turn on data saver mode on your Android device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.